Hi everyone, I'm Marta. Today, Bart and Lisa will learn about the science behind football. Cool! I just wanna kick the ball as hard as I can. I'm Bart, by the way, guys. Hello, I'm Lisa. Well, Bart, there is more than just power. Let's explore force, friction, angle, and gravity. Exactly, Lisa. Let's do it. Hey teacher, I have a question. If I kick the ball really hard, will it go super far? Good question, Bart. That's all about force. Lisa, can you help me for explain this? Sure, teacher. Force is a push or pull. If we increase the force, the ball accelerates and travels farther. So, if I eat more donuts, I'll kick harder. Nice try, Bart. Strength comes from practice, not donuts. Great job, guys! We've already covered force. Now, let's talk about friction. Teacher, why does my ball stop so fast on the grass? Excellent question, Bart. That's because of friction. Friction is a force that slows things down. On rough surface, friction is higher. That means greater friction equals shorter distance. So, Lisa, if I play on ice, I'll never stop scoring goals. Well, Bart, maybe you will just slide away. Now, let's talk about the angle of release. Look at these two shots on the board. Okay, Bart and Lisa, can you see the difference between the 30-degree and 60-degree shots? So, the higher one goes up more, but maybe not so far, right? Exactly, Bart. The angle of release changes the trajectory. A higher angle gives the ball more height but less distance. Yes, Lisa, to score a goal, you need to find the right angle. So, if I kick at the perfect angle, can I call myself a scientist striker? Of course, Bart. Science and football make a great team. We are nearing the end of today's lesson, and all that's left to learn is gravity. In this case, I'm going to ask my last question. Why does my ball always fall back down? That's not fair. Lisa, do you know? That's because of gravity, Bart. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards Earth. Exactly, Lisa. Gravity makes sure your ball doesn't fly into space. Alright, team. Before we finish, let's review what we learned today. We discovered that force makes the ball move, friction slowed it down, the angle of release changed its trajectory, and gravity pulled it back to Earth. So, if I kick with the perfect angle and just the right force, I'll score every time. Exactly, Bart. Science helps you play smarter. That's why CLIL is so great. We learn content and language together. Thank you so much for the class, teacher. Thanks, guys. I hope you liked it. See you next time.